Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find your 2025 Twitch recap. So it says Twitch recap 2025 just landed. You crushed it. If it's not like down here, maybe you like closed it, you're able to refresh it again. But if it's not there, you're just going to go here and you're going to type this in. So /annual and like dash recap. I'm just going to click it from here, see your recap. Okay, this year we came together like never before to stream, hang, and co-create. Let's recap, shall we? So you can click on your viewer and community. I don't have one because I don't stream. So hours watched, 83, distinct days visited, 78, top categories, Valorant, Phasmo, Valorant top 10%, just chatting, Roblox. I don't know this game actually. I don't know these games. Your favorite streamers, obviously FNS. Like who else? 57 hours watched, 205 chats sent, channel points earned, channel points spent. There's also Valorant and Tariq, and I think I watched this for like a Phasmo badge or something. 265 chat sent, 1 sub gifted, hype trains contributed to, share your recap here. I think you're able to like download it on your phone. I don't think it works here. You can also find your community recaps here as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, this is not for me then. No, this is just like the whole as a community. That's what it means. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.